Mega Palm Punch.
Your punches make the blood pool nicely under their skin, Super Craig. Prime for drinking.
Go nuts, new kid.
I'll drink to that. Prepare for the incredibly annoying sound of mine buzzing.
Nice work. Now excuse me while I go throw up.
You gonna cry now, Forthy? I can't say no.
Who to torment? I choose.
You didn't get your turn.
Laugh it up. The last kid who did that to me is dead.
Oh, I'm up. Sorry, I'm a little lightheaded.
Thanks, that saves me a punch.
What? Sixth graders can't die. We're immortal.
I call dibs on seconds.
Dude, dial it back.
Spreading the itch. Satisfying.
Great teamwork.
Ready?
Whoa, whoa. You're really good at that.
Craft it, new kid, just like I taught you.
I can see my house from here. Cleared for takeoff.
Oh my, how are they doing that?
Yes! Let's do this! Up! All right, we made it! See you, man!
Oh man, it's butthole. Okay. I was out last night at the Hippo and lost my wallet. If you find it, I'll give you a reward. I was out last night at the Hippo and lost my wallet. If you find it, I'll give you a reward.
And now you got a problem with me! I'm not just gonna sit here and do nothing while you insult this man's ethnicity!
I wasn't insulting him.
Excuse me! Did you or did you not say that this man seemed tired?
Yes, he's my friend. I said, Paulo, you look tired.
Microaggression! Persons of Hispanic backgrounds have been stereotyped as being sleepy, and saying they look tired is a microaggression that will not stand!
But I am tired.
You're the new kid, right? I'm the principal of your school. My name's PC Principal. I was told you wanted to talk to me about some race issues. Okay, come at me. Come on, you want to learn about race, right? Give me your best shot. It's a nice day, isn't it? Yes, very good. That was indeed not a microaggression. All right, round 2. I ate a hamburger last week. All right, that was also not a microaggression. This time I will use a microaggression, and you will see how it gives you a free shot. All right, everybody, listen up. I'm about to use a microaggression, but it's only for the use of training this young person in the ways of the social justice warrior. Thank you. Microaggression about to happen. Thank you. My friend Brian looks like a chick. Microaggression. Hit him. Oh. Not bad, kid. Not bad at all. Not only is the word chick derogatory to females, but also criticizing a male for looking feminine is a microaggression towards a person of transgender. Now let's see if you can spot a microaggression that's more subtle. My pants are warm. My pants are warm. That coffee belongs to Tim Sherman. I heard it's going to rain. Janet likes to roller skate. Mr. Yamashiro is actually a very good driver. Microaggression. Hit him. Nice, kid. Very nice indeed. Using the term actually inferred that maybe other Asian Americans are not good drivers, and the use of Mr. is offensive to persons of third gender. Now, before we talk about your race, I need you to get out there and do some PC work for me. I'll let you know when I think you're ready. Remember, kid, people use microaggressions every day. I'm counting on you to make them pay for doing so.
I don't serve minors. Sorry, little dude.
Need to get somewhere quickly? Good going, new kid. Catch you later.
Holy crap, you found it! Listen here, Vigilante. If you're ever in trouble, you give me and Ned a holler, and we'll shoot the shit out of whatever's bothering you. Hot damn, I just gotta get one of them selfie things with the farting Patriot. Thanks. I'll swipe right you on Coopstagram.
Hey, new kid, where to? Better run fast. Catch you later.
Go on. Don't be shy.
Ah, new kid. I see you've also come to assist in assuring Classy's cooperation. Please, after you. Hello, we're picking up some medicine for a friend.
Oh, is your friend looking for an energizing mental feeling or more of a full body high?
I don't know.
Well, I'll send over our expert bud tender who can help you out.
Hey, you want to get high? Oh, hey, Eric.
Oh, wow, Towley. Thought you went to rehab.
Yeah, I did, but now I'm back in South Park. Clean and sober almost a year. Clean and sober, no drugs at all. And I tell you what, I don't miss it.
And you work here in a pot store.
Cannabis, Eric, and yeah, it's great. Now I get high, helping people cure their insomnia, back pain, migraines, and stress naturally. Did you know that ancient Chinese gave cannabis to... Bartenders, get in here. It's time to give these kids a fucking consultation. Be careful, there's product everywhere. This is what a pissed off towel looks like. You're gonna wish you were a towel. Oh man, I can't believe I gotta deal with this bullshit on my fucking lunch break. Shit's fucked up. Shit, now you light my stock on fire. Sure smells nice though. God's air freshener.
Burn another pile. Get
This is workplace harassment.
I'm engulfed in flames, shit.
That's why I can't take my 5-minute lunch breaks in peace. I have to do everything around here.
But dude, the customer had a question.
You shut the fuck up, Todd. I know it was you who mixed the chillax with the mellow bliss. That's a fucking rookie move, man.
All I want to do is help people out with their anxiety and shit.
Listen, man, I don't mean to be a dick, but when you mix the chillax with the OG mellow bliss, that's gonna...
Your turn is now property of Coon and Friends.
Oh man, I can't handle the product or biting this cold.
I have a really good feeling about this, guys. Ah! Don't mess this up, dickbag.